Hi everyone, in this next Spark video I'm going to show you how to export responses from a questionnaire. So let's go and open up Visual Dialog. Now you go to the folder that has the questionnaire that you would like to export responses from, and just click once on the questionnaire, then right click the mouse, go down to export response data, click on that. Now I'll just take you through some of the options that come up here. Just make sure that this is the name of the questionnaire you want to export the responses from. Make sure the Excel radio button is checked here. The default is the tab limited text file, so just make it an Excel file, and down here in the file name it will automatically generate the name of the last file that you saved, so you will need to change it. So we'll just change that now to test data. Click next. Now here you get to indicate which questions you would like to include in the exported data. So let's just include all the questions in there. Click next. And here you can choose whether you'd like to include all of the completed answer forms, or you would like just the incompleted, or both. Click finish. So a window will pop up asking you whether you want to open up the exported file. Just click yes. Now because this is just a test questionnaire, I did this as an anonymous response questionnaire. So under this column here, where you might usually have the customer numbers or your member numbers listed, there's nothing listed here. So here are all of your responses to your questions. Now you'll notice the first thing is that they're all in keys, they're all coded. So first thing I do is just make them a little bit easier to read. Next thing you'll need to do is go into the actual questionnaire, open it up, make sure that the keys checkbox is ticked, and I'll show you. You'll notice here the keys in brackets pop up, so you can see Q1, question 1, answer 1, answer 2. You see that corresponds to Q1, and then how each one of those responses to the questionnaire is answered. And there you have it. Now you have exported the responses from your questionnaire. So another way that you might want to extract or export or extract some responses from a questionnaire is by going into customer view. So this way you are searching for a particular customer that you know has responded to a questionnaire. Head back to Visual Dialog, go up to the Web tab, go into customer view, search for the customer that responded to a particular answer form. The customer will come up down the bottom here. Double click on that customer. Now under details, I've blocked out, because this is a real customer, I've blocked out some details for privacy issues, and along here in the tabs there's answer forms, so you'll see what questionnaires or what answer forms this particular customer has answered. So we can see here that this one has answered the basic questionnaire. If you double click on that, you'll see the responses that were put in for that questionnaire. I'll also quickly show you another way that you can see who has answered a questionnaire and how to pull the responses. So go back to the original page on your customer views, and then head over to the tab that says answer forms. So we're not searching for a particular customer now, we're searching for people that have responded to a particular answer form. Okay, now there's only one customer, or me, that entered details for this answer form, so there's just one row here, but if this was one where you've had many responses, you'll get a whole list of customers down here, and you can double click on each one of them to view what each individual response was. So you can do it through customer view to search and look at individual responses to a questionnaire, or you can do it directly from Visual Dialog and export the data into this format here. And that's it. You've now successfully taken all of the data out of your questionnaire.